na ba? Hi everyone. Hello from everyone from different part of the country, and to those who is not from Philippines. Hello. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And I hope you are enjoying all my uploaded videos, especially the plants that I uploaded. This is what you call a bird's nest. Yes, it's a huge bird's nest. See? Yeah, like that. It's good because the water is dripping from the air conditioner. So, look at that. There's a hose that there's a water coming outside, so it will make the plant stay wet.